Hey guys, and welcome to Zero Risk Forex. This channel is designed for people who are into Forex and trading, people that have already been trading for a long time. This is not a Forex for beginners course, no. This is specifically aimed at people who already trade Forex, who already have who have already blown accounts, who are already trading right now. This video is for you. I want to show you an indicator and a risk strategy that I use to consistently grow my accounts, and I've been doing so for the last about 3 years. Before that, I was losing money, but ever since I've been using these two things that I'm going to show you, and which I try to explain in my first two videos, I've been seeing progress. Right? Okay. So the first thing is, anytime I'm going into a trade, what makes me decide that I'm going to trade this thing, right? That is the first thing. You have to know, why are you going to go into this market? Why are you going to enter at this price? Yeah, so that's the first thing. Now, what do I use to decide? B- Above here, you have a normal 6 hour chart for the last 1 month, candlesticks, right? This top section. Below this section, right, you have the Williams percentage, right? Williams R percentage indicator. What do I do? The Williams percentage indicator, this is how it works. It has two lines, and it has this green lines, this line that goes across, up and down, up and down, up and down, right? Now, here's the USD JPY. This is where the line is right now. But earlier on in the month, I was watching these lines go up and down, right? As soon as it crossed this bottom line down here, on the way up, as soon as this tip over here, because don't forget, all this wasn't there at this more time, right? So as soon as this tip touched that red line there, right, I looked up and I saw a green candle. Soon as I saw that green candle, I took my trade at the end of that 6 hour candle. I took the trade. So up there, green candle. As soon as it closed, I entered there, and the market has been going up ever since. And that's how I made profit, right? That's why I decided to go into that one. Now, if I go to the next chart, NAS, we're going backwards again, right? This is the lowest point. It came down past that line. It went up. It touched that line. I look up. Is there a green candle? Yes. I took that trade, right? Now, if you look where it is today, I took a trade at about 19,000. That's the level, and it's up there today, right? Let's go back to the USDT, USD JPY. I took that trade there. If you look right, the price is about 143. Now it's 149. Let's go to another one. This is the France 40. If you go back, this is where it went down. This is went up. It touched that line. You take the trade. It's a green candle over there. That's the entry price, 7501. It's 7615 at the moment. You take the trade. So the success rate of this indicator is really good. If you go back here, if you could go by this one, it went down. It touched that. You look up. It's a green candle. For the next 6, 12, 18 hours, you are making profit, right? You can stay in this trade because the market is likely to go up. Even if you look at the structure of this chart, it's on an upward trend anyway, and it's telling you to go in now. If you look at the channel, this is about the right time to go in. right? So this is what I use to decide what markets I'm going to trade. So I can go through any chart, whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's any chart. All I need is this R Williams percentage, okay? Let's look at the German 30. You go back. This is the only place it crossed the line. About here, you look up, it's a green candle. You take the trade, look right, that's the price. Look at where it is now. This is a 6-hour chart for the last 6 months. This is gold, right? XAU USD. You look back, this is the last place it went down, it went up, it touched that line. You look up, it's a green candle, you take that trade. Let's go to, anyway, I'm sure you get the gist. You can test this out, right? I have a software testing background. I've back tested a lot of indicators. This is all I need to give me a green signal when to go into the market. Which brings us to the second element of how this strategy works, which is calculating the risk management. So now you are going to use this indicator to go into trades. The second thing is, how do you calculate what to trade? How do you risk your money? Now, this is what I do. I use a method called zero risk forex, the zero risk strategy, which gives you zero risk, and that's why I call this channel the zero risk forex. Basically, what I do is very simple. This is a trade that I'm in right now. I took the trade at the price now is at 2354. If I go into here, that's the trade right there. The NAS entry price 2354. I'm already in a little bit of profit. What do? I go to my calculator. That's the symbol name. That's my account balance. That's my entry price. I put that there and it tells me how much I should be risking per pip. So basically, that entry price divided by that account size, and that's the number I get there. That is how much I am trading per pip each time I get the signals. And that might look little, but as you will see on this channel, numbers do not lie. There is the account balance. It was started with £250 on the 30th of May. You can check my other videos. That was how much we started. Start date Monday, the 30th of May was the trading day. And today's date is the 19th. Okay? If you follow this channel, what we're trying to do is make 2.5% every time. Start an account with 250. Make 2.5% every single time. Okay? When somebody tells you, I made 50 grand yesterday trading, I made 100 grand yesterday trading, as a trader, that means nothing to me. I'm telling you the truth. When I want to hear you speak, I want to hear how many percent you made on your account, because that's the whole idea. 2.5% is your goal. If you can specialize, right, how to make 2.5% on any account size, 2.5%, you know how to make it. The next thing becomes, how many times can you replicate that 2.5% within a certain month, within a certain week, within a certain, you understand? Just learn how to make 2.5% on $300, on $1 million. Anybody who cannot turn a £250 account, you cannot grow it. Even if I give you £1 million, you can never grow it. That's just the truth. You cannot grow it. So on this channel, I'm using a £250 account. The aim is to make 2.5%, and to do this 250 times. So this is 1 to 100 to 50. This is that's challenge 1. Challenge 2. So if I can do it 50 times from that date every single week, after 50 times, that's going to be the balance. If I start with that balance, 859, do carry on with the 2.5%, do it another 50 times. That's the new balance, 3 grand, 3.5 grand. And if you do that continuously to up to number 250, the account balance is 156 grand in 5 years. So hopefully I'm going to be along, you can subscribe to this channel, follow me this journey. I'm going to be using that indicator I just showed you to grow this account with along with my risk management, which is calculating the distance to zero. Okay, now this channel was started on the 30th. By the first week, I already achieved my first 2.5%. Right? By the second week video, I had achieved it 8 times to this part by second week. It's all on my videos. And this is the third week. This is where I am today. By the third week, the account balance was 33622. If you go into the account, it's 336. At the moment, because it's a weekend, it's minus £2. If you do the maths and you calculate that with the rollover charge, minus, 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 I've already achieved it. Right? Also, to back it up, I have the statements. Look at the account. Look at the account number. That's the account number 251016747. Trading is closed. It's a real Great Britain account, pound account, right? I'm nobody on YouTube. I've been on YouTube. Nobody shows is this transparent. They tell you how to make money, but they never show you the account size. I'm going to be showing you this every single week on this account, right? Now, if we go back to that statement, start date September 29th to October the 19th, right? Even if you look at that, that's my name there, Frank. Look at the date it was printed. It's there. Today, this was printed today, right? So 19th of September was the start date. That's the account number, right? That tallies with that. 30th of September, right? Now, if we go back to the statement and go all the way down, profit and loss, 111. How much have they charged me on rollover charges? 113.01. What is the current balance? 33367. When I printed this a few minutes ago, there is 33367. And I'm going to be showing this every single week on this channel. You can follow my progress. I'm going to be using those indicators. I'm going to be using the same risk management strategy to calculate my entries. And we're going to slowly see how fast we can do this. So basically, 250 times is what you're trying to target. I don't know how many times those signals are going to come out, but so far in 3 weeks, we've made it from number 1 to number 12. We've compounded it 12 times. 12 times 2.5%. That is how much you've made on a 250 account. So please, I'm going to leave it there for now. Subscribe to the channel. This is Zero Risk Forex. We're going to post. I'm going to tell you more about the Williams indicator. You can follow my live trades. I mean, obviously, I'm not going to be doing live trading, but at the end of every week, I'm going to show you the statement. You're going to see everything transparent. You're going to see where we are on this spreadsheet, how close to the end we are. You're going to see everything. So follow me on this journey. And thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.